Hey, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask you to give this video a like if we were able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. One last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. As we know, crypto is one such business that has been blooming for a long time and has seen a huge surge in popularity and growth over the last few years. The platform is extremely safe owing to encryption as well as highly decentralized, which will allow it to operate outside of the control of central authorities and freely and autonomously. Portability, volatility, unpredictability, simplicity of usage, and its extremely intuitive nature are some of the other qualities of crypto. Furthermore, according to worldwide specialists in the area, the cryptocurrency sector is on track to completely transform the present payment system, at least on a global scale, and from where I stand, I believe it has already begun to do so. You will have a lot better idea of what we have for you today, Avalanche Coins, now that you have a basic introduction of the cryptocurrency market. At the end of this video, you should understand why you should have at least 15 Avalanche coin. Let's start with understanding the Avalanche project first. Avalanche, or AVAX, is a Layer 1 blockchain developed by Labs to serve as a foundation for bespoke blockchain networks and decentralized applications, DAPPS. The bulk of us here today are already familiar with Ethereum, which is one of the most popular currencies and blockchains for smart contracts in particular. Now, Avalanche is one such platform that is in direct competition with the Ethereum network, and Avalanche is aiming to outperform Ethereum in this respect. For those who are curious, how does Avalanche intend to do this? Please allow me to clarify. The platform is stated to have a high transaction output of over 6,500 transactions per second in order to reach its goal, while also guaranteeing that scalability is not compromised in any manner. In layman's terms, the platform promotes itself as a programmable and open smart contracts platform for a variety of decentralized applications, as well as being compatible with Ethereum's programming language and Solidity, and able to build public and private blockchains as subsets. Furthermore, Avalanche platform developers may quickly design dependable, secure, and powerful apps, as well as specialized blockchain networks with a complicated set of rules. Avalanche is notable for allowing users on the platform to create anything they want by giving them complete control over both the application and network levels. Before continuing, you should be aware that the Avalanche project was published on the mainnet a year ago, in September 2020. Avalanche has also been observed focusing on establishing its own ecosystem of decentralized finance, DeFi, and decentralized apps, DAPPS, since its mainnet debut last year. Avalanche has also been merged with various other Ethereum-based businesses, including TrueUSD and SushiSwap. While the platform is working hard to improve interoperability between Ethereum and its own ecosystem, it relies heavily on bridges to accomplish it. The native currency of the Avalanche ecosystem, however, is AVAX, which I stated at the outset. This token may be used for a variety of things, including paying fees and receiving incentives. In other words, AVAX is a cryptocurrency that can be used to pay transaction fees while also allowing users to stake it to help safeguard the network. What distinguishes Avalanche from the competition? Avalanche is dubbed the platform of platforms by the project's developers because it utilizes 3 different blockchains to create a trustless and interoperable framework for developers. Not only that, but all of the aforementioned is made possible in large part due to the platform's design, which is unlike any other. As previously stated, the Avalanche network is made up of 3 different blockchains: C-chain, X-chain, and P-chain. The trade chain, or X-chain as it is more widely known, is used to exchange and produce the AVAX token as well as other assets. These tokens, like the ERC-20 standard, follow a set of established standards while employing a distinct consensus process. The contract chain, C-chain, on the other hand, is notable for hosting decentralized apps and smart contracts. Not only that, but the blockchain includes its own Avalanche virtual machine, which is comparable to the Ethereum virtual machine and allows developers to fork EVM-compatible decentralized apps. It also employs the well-known SNOWMAN consensus algorithm. Finally, the platform chain, P-chain, is in charge of communicating with all network validators, as well as tracking existing subsets and allowing the development of additional subsets. For those of you who don't know what subsets are, let me explain. Allow me to assist you with this. Subsets are nothing more than a set of validators, similar to a validator cartel. Consider it as a set of several blockchains, each of which may be validated by a different subset, whereas a blockchain can only be validated by a single subset. The SNOWMAN consensus method is used on this blockchain as well. There are some key things that the Avalanche project comes to solve, and we're sure that by hearing them, you'll get excited. So, what issues does Avalanche address? There are three primary issues that Avalanche tries to address. Scalability, transaction costs, and interoperability are all factors to consider. Scalability versus decentralization. 1. Traditional blockchains have failed to strike a balance between scalability and decentralization. With more users and activity, a network may struggle to reach an agreement on legitimate transactions fast. Bitcoin, BTC, is an excellent example of the problem, with transactions taking hours or even days to complete during periods of network congestion. Making the network more centralized and giving fewer individuals more authority to approve network activities is one method to address this. Transactions may be confirmed considerably more rapidly if fewer individuals have to examine and validate them. Decentralization, on the other hand, is a key and desirable feature of blockchain technology. With technical developments, new blockchains are constantly attempting to tackle this problem. High fees. 2. With increasingly popular blockchains like Ethereum, gas costs are another common concern. Increased traffic and user numbers worsen the situation. It discourages individuals from utilizing these blockchains despite the fact that the rivals' ecosystems are less well established. The popularity of Ethereum, for example, has resulted in near constantly high traffic and prices with little respite due to a lack of alternatives. Simple transfers can sometimes cost more than $10, while complicated smart contract trades can be considerably more expensive yet. Interoperability. 3. Varied initiatives and businesses have different needs when it comes to blockchains. Previously, projects had to pick between Ethereum, a non-customized blockchain, or a private blockchain. On the other hand, striking a balance between customizability and collaboration across multiple blockchains has proven challenging. Subnets and customized blockchains, which share the network's security, speed, and compatibility, are Avalanche's solution to the problem. Now we will discuss some benefits of the Avalanche coin that will hopefully let you understand better why we think you should have at least 15 Avalanche coin. Benefits of Avalanche coins. Avalanche offers a number of appealing features for both businesses and individual customers. Businesses may easily construct new blockchains using the network. A variety of blockchain services, tokens, and currencies are available for developers to create. Avalanche tokens can be used to represent equities, bonds, debt, fractionalized real estate, and other financial products. They may be programmed as NFTs or non-fungible tokens as well. Programmable. One of the main goals of the Avalanche team was to make it possible for enterprises to construct application-specific blockchains and DAPPS. In addition to instances of the Avalanche virtual machine, the network was designed to run several bespoke virtual machines, AVM. Avalanche AVAX is versatile in that it supports several programming languages, including EVM and WASM. The network was written on the popular Go programming language. Participants in the network may quickly produce and exchange digital smart assets. These newly created tokens can be customized to meet the technical and regulatory needs of the developer. As a result, Avalanche is suitable for building DeFi systems. Avalanche AVAX compliant DAPPS. DApp developers may use the Avalanche network to create complicated custom rule sets. This was a sensible decision since it allows these developers to generate assets that are compatible with regulatory requirements. The asset's code can be set to specify how it's handled and traded. This method makes it simple to guarantee that compliance is satisfied. Deflationary. Avalanche is a blockchain that is deflationary. Fees from different acts are collected by the network, which subsequently sends these coins to be burned. The overall number of AVAX in circulation is reduced when these tokens are burned. As a result, demand for these tokens can be managed and prices can be maintained in the future. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you feel like this video has given you some value, then please let us know in the comments down below. We want to know if we should make more videos like this for you guys, because we care about our community. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.